guys, welcome to my channel, One Mosey. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own little survival gear. Let's get to it. Alright, let's just start with the essentials. I mean, look at this thing, it's wonderful, and it did not cost me a darn lot of money to do it. It did not. Get this. Isn't this awesome? Perfect. So, first things first, your shovel. Got this from the dollar store for $1. You guys may remember this knife from the other videos. I included it to this pack. It fit perfectly in there. The survival card. I will do a review on this on my next video. We're gonna go ahead and open the first zipper. In the first zipper we have a raincoat from the dollar store for $1. Some matches. I will be showing you how to make these not fireproof, but waterproof on my next video. Also for $1, $1.25. Some glue sticks from the dollar store. Very handy if you wanna maybe glue together your earphones or something comes apart, or you want to put some plastic over some electrical wires. Comes in handy. You melt this up a little bit and it works awesome. A lighter from the dollar store. Gets into tight places easily. Brand new, it works. I haven't used it and I don't plan on using it. Some fat wood. I bought a whole box for $7 from Canadian Tire. All you need is a little piece. You can shave this off a little. We have here some candles for $1. You get a lot more than this, but I had to trim it down in order for it to fit the pack. And if you're a smoker, it's a good idea to throw a pack of smokes in there. Some more plastic tubes. Okay, that about does it for the first pouch. So we managed to fit all this stuff in there in the first pouch. Okay, just gonna quickly put all these things back. Just gonna throw all this stuff back in here, well, properly. So that does it for the first pocket. Second pocket. What's awesome about this is as soon as you open it up, you have a really nice view. This is what you see as soon as you open it up. Believe in yourself. I mean, you do need some positive vibes, especially when you're trying to survive out there. Go ahead and open it up. Believe in yourself. It's important to carry some medicine with you, some flu medication, antibiotics, some leftover antibiotics from last time you were sick, or if you have antibiotics in general at home, it's a good idea to keep some with you. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this right here. Okay. There we go. Hand sanitizer. I found a half-open bottle. I decided to throw this in here instead of the full bottle because I don't use it that much. But since there's a craze about it, we'll just put it in there. I usually wash my hands. More hand sanitizer, look at that, awesome. So I guess I threw 2 half ones and thought that it would make 1 full one. Good thinking, Mo, good thinking. This Chinese stuff right here, this is good for when you have headaches or when you have the flu or runny nose. It smells like mint, and it's liquid. You just put some on your forehead or wherever, and it just absorbs all of the pain. Gives you pain relief. Smells amazing. Try and put it back in here. Will it go back in there? Got it back in there. Awesome. First aid kit. Very important. I've managed to pack a whole bunch of things in this little plastic first aid kit, and I secured it with this elastic. And let me tell you, I mean, this thing has everything in there, cotton balls, everything, and it's amazing. Look at it, everything in here. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more that I could buy and add on to this, but we will do that, and whatever fits the pack, right, people? So that about does it for the safety pack. And I think we just emptied the middle pocket, so we're gonna go ahead and put all these goodies back in here. And there's a lot more space in this little mini pocket that I could use, maybe to add more first aid stuff, you know. Go ahead and close her up. Believe in yourself. Pockets right here. So we opened it, and first things first is we have a knife sharpener. Awesome. Awesome knife sharpener. Perfect. We have a little Swiss Army tool knife here, and it carries a whole bunch of tools, including Phillips heads, knives, a wine bottle opener right here. You got a little screw that comes in, and look at the way it attaches to itself. You see, it's quite impressive. I like this. What else we have here? Some rope, some handmade rope that I made. Awesome. Some extra, looks like shoelaces or rope. Could be used as a rope. It's pretty good. What else do we have in here? Awesome. This stuff, this I think belonged to a tent that I had. But this is good stuff. I don't know, I mean, if you're injured in the field or whatever, you grab 2 sticks, or you have a broken arm, put 2 sticks here, cut this in half, and this would make for some nice fabric on your skin when you're injured and trying to heal. Okay, well that's it for the left pocket right here. Let's go ahead and throw all these beautiful ropes and nylon stuff all back in here. As such, our knife sharpener for our knife right here, and other tools I may need sharpening, like the Swiss Army gear, or this beautiful tactical card here that I'm gonna review in the next video and show you guys all of the good stuff that we can do with it. Pretty impressive. Go ahead and shut this pocket up. Go ahead and open the right pocket and see what we got in there. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, so I decided to get this for $1. You're trying to survive out there. You sat all day. You managed to grab your fire. You managed to fish your little fish. You managed to do whatever, and now you're just sitting back and trying not to think of all the crap that's happening around you. Pop up your cards and just sit back, relax, play a game of goldfish with your friends or whatever, or by yourself. And let's see what else is in here. Wow, that's it for that pocket. Awesome. So yeah, that was that for that pocket. I guess I could probably manage to get more things in here. So here we have a tarp that you could easily use to make a tent with, or create your own little shelter. Or if you're trying to gather wood or anything like that and everything's wet, you could use this as a little shelter to keep things a little bit dry. Having a little tarp shelter here with you is very important. And this shovel, well, it's for your business, right? Or if you want to create a little more shelter and stuff like that around your camping site, a shovel is a very good idea. It's all compact and into here. I'm just gonna add my little forgot to put my elastic on this right here. Got it now. Okay, it broke. Where's my elastic? I can't find it. Alright. No problem. We still have a little one here that survived. Let's see if she can. Oh my god, and this one died out too. Okay, so let's jimmy our elastics together right here. And it's breaking. Jimmy the elastic again. Why am I saying? Alright. So, here we go. Nice little elastic. Let's see if it'll work. Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere now. Hopefully not. Okay, so what was I doing? Showing you guys how this thing closes up. So let's close it up. I like to put my knife in here and let it be out. That way I can have easy access to it, and I'll show you guys in a second when I'm not it out. Just roll this up as such. And here we have it. Already a nice little bundle. You could secure it with like maybe a belt if you're worried that it might come apart. The more stuff you put in there, the more security you want to add onto it. Now, what I was talking about, the knife here, boom, just go like this, pull it out, quick access to the knife if you ever need it. That way you don't have to open the whole bag, and secure it into place. And your fire starter's right here if you need it too. Dollar store, people. There's a lot of things you can get at the dollar store. A lot of things, and especially all these. This bag was $1. The shovel was $1. Everything you found in there was almost $1. There you have it. Now, what I would add to this kit, I would add some cotton. Well, we have cotton balls. I wouldn't add anything. Awesome. We have candles in there. We have wax to add more fuel to the candle. You know what, guys? This is a perfect survival gear. The only thing I would add in here is a water filtration system, or maybe a water straw. Guys, thank you for joining me on my channel, One More Z. Like, subscribe, and share. And if you guys like these types of videos that I'm making, let me know. And by doing that, that way I can make some more. Stay tuned for my next video.